What's up, boo? All right, so today, y'all, we got some. Ooh, we got a seafood boil going. I got the mussels. I got the eggs. I got shrimp. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Yeah, we finna see. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Try potato. Let's try with some onions. See. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Egg. Mm. Mm. I got some mussels too. Shrimp. Mm. Yeah, I got down on this. Hmm. I got down on this. That shrimp real good. Mm. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Oh, y'all, when I tell y'all, I got down on this. Period. Period. When I tell y'all, ooh. Mm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Y'all, I put some Coca-Cola, garlic powder, minced that season, salt, paprika, accent, salt and pepper, onion powder, with Creole seasoning, Obey. Yeah, came out good. Mm-hmm. Y'all, when I tell y'all, oh my God. Mm. Well, see, I was looking for egg that was already cut. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, then got a potato with onion on it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, I don't know what I did this time, but I think it's the vinegar. I think I put in a little more vinegar than I usually do. I don't know. It tastes good though. Mm-hmm. It's the vinegar and the hot sauce. But I had put that brown sugar in there too with that Coca-Cola. Mm-hmm. You know, I took my little shots and stuff too. On my little tequila. You already know. Mm. Like, it's giving me a different. I think I put in a little too much vinegar. Because it got that. But it's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I probably could have just did that Frank's hot sauce instead of just the vinegar, because the vinegar give it like a. Mm. I don't know. It's good, but it give it like a vinegary taste. I recommend just stay with the brown sugar and stuff and hot sauce and a little bit of vinegar. See, I put it in the second time. I put in a little more. I shouldn't have did it. Mm-hmm. And with brown sugar, I should just kept it how I had it. Yeah, I had to go work. I've been working like 12-hour shifts. I'm tired. Until they're able to find somebody, you feel what I'm saying? To do the third shift like we need. So me and, supervisor been just 12-hour shifts, 12-hour shifts, 12-hour shifts. Like, that should be too much. Like, fuck. Oh, I'm already not off on holidays. Y'all got me fucked up. Crib, got me fucked up. 12-hour shifts, like. So yeah. Oh, y'all can definitely follow me on Instagram, Cashmere_Celine. Well, underscore Celine, whatever, underline, whatever. Cashmere_Celine. TikTok, 3244. I mean, Terrell, 3244. And Facebook, William Davis. Terrell Davis, whatever. What I got? Okay. Yep. Yeah, I think I put a little too much vinegar. It's giving like it's busting like a motherfucker. It's good as fuck. It's good. But yeah, y'all.